Sure love a good old banana bread. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to a new video where today we are doing a continuation of the iPad Pro video series. That's a really good banana bread. And we are talking about my top 5 favorite things about the 2020 iPad Pro 11-inch with the Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard. Alright, so starting with number 1 is the battery life. So I wish I had remembered to plug in my iPad throughout the day today. It's at a 9% battery. But anyway, the battery life on this thing is incredible. But I do have one complaint, and that is that the Magic Keyboard uses a lot of battery. I had no issues with the battery before the Magic Keyboard came along, but now that the Magic Keyboard is here and it's backlit, it uses quite a bit of the iPad's battery, which is something I am not a huge fan of. It's okay. I'll survive. I'm not dying or anything because of the battery life, but the battery life on this thing is great. I just wish that the Magic Keyboard didn't use as much battery life, so kind of a love-hate relationship with that one. Number 2 is the really easy gesture control on the iPad. So the Magic Keyboard, if you didn't already know, has a trackpad right there. Little trackpad for little hands. That is great, and just the gestures that you can have on the iPad with the trackpad, you swipe up and then it's good. The different gestures are good. They're good, yeah. Number 3 is the speed. Oh my God, the speed. This thing it's so fast. So yeah, speed. It's really fast. 6 gigabytes of speed across all models. The CPU chip is the new Apple A12Z Bionic chip. Geekbench is showing me I have Photoshop running, and I'm using 29% of my CPU right now. What the heck? This thing is incredible. Yeah, the CPU is beyond anything I've ever done before. It's absolutely crazy. So that is one thing that I love about this. 4th thing is different apps that used to be only a laptop or only a desktop are coming to the iPad. Photoshop, Lightroom, actual real editing software. And that's amazing to see that Adobe has brought their really high-end software to the iPad. And I love using Photoshop on the iPad just because of its easy usability. It has an easier interface than on the laptop, but for sure, of course, it doesn't have as many features, but still, it's really great for just doing quick run and gun. Maybe you have a blemish. I don't have a blemish. I don't have any blemishes. Come on. You just want to Photoshop that out. Quick, easy, right on the iPad. Incredible. And 5th, no particular order, is this. It's that. Right there. USB-C pass-through charging. So yes, I know this is supposed to be a favorite things about the iPad Pro, but favorite things about this package. Apple Pencil, iPad, Magic Keyboard. It is so nice to be able to charge either through the USB-C pass-through port right here or the native iPad port here, which I really like. But the one thing that I really, really love about it, that the Magic Keyboard can serve as a charging base. Okay, so I'm going to plug this in, and I'm using my iPad, walking around the house. Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, really? Oh, awesome. All right, I'm going to sit down now because I'm a little bit tired from walking around so much, And so now I put it on. It's charging. Take it off. Not charging anymore. put it on, charging. So I know I'm kind of squeezing everything I can out of this iPad Pro, and there's a new video coming next week that's going to be really good. And I just wanted to kind of talk about my favorite things about the iPad and the things I've been using the most, the different features, and that's kind of been it. My 5 favorite features on the iPad Pro 2020 package with the Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard. So that's been it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And I'm not very well lit. So yeah. Okay, bye.